Welcome, dear students. Good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
We are fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am also fine. Welcome to the English class. Today, do you have any guess what we are going to read?
Ma'am, the topic name is Rama to the rescue.
Yes, very good. You remember this topic we discussed in our last class. Okay, so now today in our class we are going to continue the second part of this topic. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at this picture, my dear students.
Ma'am, the first picture is old man, and second one is his wife. Ma'am, another one.
Okay, can anybody guess the characters of the story? As he said, first one is the picture of a old man, and the second his wife, and the third one is what?
Children.
Yes, children are playing. But these three pictures, can anybody relate? Is this the characters of that story which we have read in our last class, Rama to the rescue? Who are the character of the story from these three pictures?
Ma'am, first two are
Yes,
old man and his wife.
it's very good. Let's check. Yes, old man is correct. His wife is also correct. Children are wrong. Okay. Okay, you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Let's move. Who entered the house? We discussed in our last class about that Rama to the rescue. So, can anybody remember who entered the house? Look at this picture. First picture is
Ma'am, first picture is guest.
yes. Someone entered. Someone is calling at your door. This is the picture of a guest. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
next picture. See.
Ma'am, the picture is Kotwal.
Yes, this is the picture of a Kotwal. Kotwal is a village police. Yes, very good. This is the picture of a Kotwal. Let's see what is the next.
Ma'am, this is the picture of thief.
Yes, this is the picture of a thief, robber or thief. So, you tell me from these three pictures who entered in the old man's house.
Ma'am, the thief entered into the house.
Yes, the thief who have entered in old man house. Very good. So now, students, we are going to see what is happening in this picture. Can anybody tell what the both are doing?
Ma'am, in this picture, the old man and his wife talking with each other, I think.
Yes, they are talking with each other. Can anybody, any other students guess?
Ma'am, I think they are discussing something.
Yes, they are discussing or they are planning. They are discussing, they are talking, they are planning, they are doing this. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So, dear students, raise your hands. Sanghamitra, Manju, Sritam, among you all, who can tell me what is happening in this picture?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, you can tell.
Ma'am, here the thief is thinking something, and both old man and his wife talking.
Yes, very good. What thief? Listen them. What they are talking? Okay, I am telling you what they are talking. I am reading out from the textbook. What should we do? That old man's wife asked to him, "What should we do?" Then the old man replied, "I will tell you. Listen." Meanwhile, the thief, while the both old man and his wife is talking, meanwhile the thief is saying voices. They are awake. I will have to wait till they fall asleep. The thief is saying or thinking like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thief waits quietly for the couple to asleep. Okay, dear students, look at this picture. What thief is already get into the house, and now what he is doing?
Ma'am, the thief is thinking. I wonder where they keep their money.
Hmm. Thief is thief wonder. Where are they? They means that old man and his wife. Where they keep their money?
Ma'am, the thief is searching for money.
Yes, he's searching for money. He's thinking, he's guessing where they keep their money. That old man and his
Wife.
wife. Okay. Okay, now the thief listen carefully to their conversation. What they are saying? They are saying something. Perhaps they are talking about their money. I would better listen closely. The thief is listening to the couple's conversation carefully. If thief thinks perhaps they are talking about their money, where they keep their money, they are talking about that. For that, the thief is listening to them carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the picture. How carefully the thief is listening to their conversation.
Yes, ma'am. The thief is listening carefully.
Hmm.
The conversation of old man and his wife. Yes.
Okay. In
Ma'am.
this picture, what you are seeing?
Ma'am, in this picture, what they are doing?
They are still
Ma'am, they are
continuing.
planning something.
They are still continuing their conversation. The conversation is still continuing. What the old man's wife saying to the old man? What should we name our child? The wife asked to the old man. What the old man replied? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am, the old man replies, if he is a boy, we will call him Rama.
Very good. The boy's name, they are planning to give a name Rama to their boy. Okay, what they are talking, we discuss. We can read from the picture. They are talking like this, the old man and his wife. Look at this picture.
Ma'am, what the wife is talking?
Yes, the couple is still continuing their conversation. The wife replied to his to the old man, Rama, yes, that's a good name. When he is house, I will call out softly to him, Rama, Rama. He will call his son like this, softly, Rama, Rama.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what the thief is doing? Thief is now carefully listen to the sound from the house. Look at this picture, how the thief is listening.
Ma'am, the thief is very angry
Yes, why he is angry?
because he is thinking the plan is not according to his planning.
Yes, the things are not working. He is in angry mood. Why they both are not asleep? Why the plan is not working? So for this reason, the thief is in an angry mood. Okay. Okay, dear students. Now we can discuss some new words related to our topic today's discussion. Anybody, we can tell new words from the topic. Let's learn the new words. Anybody say?
Yes, ma'am. Uh, what is the meaning of awake? I have found one new word, awake. Ma'am, what does it mean?
The okay, awake means wake from asleep. Wake from sleep. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The other word is meanwhile. Meanwhile, which means time between two things.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other students want to tell some new words?
Ma'am, asleep. What does it mean?
Asleep. Okay, very good. Asleep is another new word. Others are also have this new word. Do you want to know the meaning of this word?
Yes, ma'am. We
Yes.
want to know.
Let's see. Asleep means sleeping. Can anybody make a sentence by using this word?
Yes, ma'am. I can make a sentence.
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, the sentence is he is asleep on the sofa.
Yes, very good. He is asleep on the
Sofa.
sofa. Okay, dear students, I forget to ask you sentence making by using the word meanwhile. Okay, can anybody tell a sentence by using the word meanwhile?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can give you one example first. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I can make a sentence by using this word meanwhile. I was studying, meanwhile, my brother was playing game. Do you understand what is the meaning of meanwhile?
No, ma'am. No. Can you repeat again?
Yes. I was studying, meanwhile, my brother was playing game.
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
You can understand now what is the meaning of meanwhile?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Meanwhile means the time between the two things, playing and studying. Okay, that two things is happening. So in between that time, that we call it the meanwhile. Then you can tell me the sentence by using awake.
Ma'am, the sentence is the baby is awake.
Very good. Baby is awake. Okay, like this we can use a word asleep. Where we can use these words, I will give one example. He is asleep on the sofa. The same line or the same sentence is saying by Rima. She use this word and make a sentence. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these are the sentences by using the word meanwhile, awake and asleep. Okay. Let's move. What are the other new words someone else want to see, want to say, want to ask? You can ask.
Ma'am, what does the meaning of wonder?
Yes, wonder means thinking where to found. Wonder means you can that as if the thief is thinking of the money. So wonder means thinking where to found. So can anybody tell one sentence or make one sentence by using this word?
Yes, ma'am. I can do it.
Okay, you tell. Very good.
Ma'am, the sentence is I wonder what will happen next.
Okay, very good. You make a good sentence. Very good. This is a nice sentence by using the word wonder. Like this, we can also say I wonder where I left my keys. Okay. So these are the two sentences by using the word wonder. Thank you. Okay, move to the next word. Do you have any other new word?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
What is the meaning of perhaps?
Perhaps. Okay, let me check. Yes. Perhaps means possibly. Possibly. Can you listen this word possibly?
Yes, ma'am. I have listened possibly.
Yes. So now I am going to make a sentence like perhaps I left my book at school. There might be possibility there I may left my book at school or I at home, like this. Perhaps means possibly.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I frame another words using perhaps?
Yes, you can.
Yes. Ma'am, the sentence is perhaps I left my pen at school.
Yes, very good. This is also a correct sentence.
Ma'am,
Thank
can I
you.
make another word?
Yes, you can make another word, another sentence by using this word perhaps.
Yes, ma'am. Perhaps I left my bag at my school.
Yes, this is also correct. You can left your at your school or home. Yes, this is also correct.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
dear students, do you have any other new word?
Ma'am, another word is better.
Oh, better. You want to know the meaning of better?
Yes, ma'am. I want to know.
Okay, let me show you. Better. Better means good or well. Good or well. Now you can easily make a sentence by using this word better. Yes, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me what is the sentence you make by using this word better?
Ma'am, I feel better.
Yes, you feel better. Oh, you tell me in the morning you told me that na you are not feeling well. You have some headache. So now you are feeling better than before.
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
told you that I have not feeling better, but now I am feeling better.
Yes, better means good or well. So now you feel better as you have no pain at your in your head or in your stomach. Okay, very good. So now you feel better.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I repeat the new words again?
Yes, you can repeat the new words again. I am showing you.
Yes,
Wait,
ma'am.
wait. Hmm. Okay. Tell the meaning of meanwhile.
Ma'am, the meaning of meanwhile is time between two things.
Yes, very good. Time between two things. Okay, next.
Awake,
Awake means
awake from asleep.
wake from sleep. Yes, very good. Wake from sleep. Someone is sleeping when she wake up. That is we can say awake. Okay, then next new word is asleep. You asked me about this, na?
Yes,
So do you
ma'am.
remember the meaning?
Asleep means, ma'am, sleeping.
Yes, very good. Asleep means sleeping. Now the another new word is wonder.
Ma'am, wonder means thinking where to find.
Yes, thinking where to find. Very good. Perhaps means
Ma'am, perhaps means possibly.
yes, perhaps means possibly. Now the last word is better. What does it mean?
Good or well.
Very good, good or well. You remember all the new words. Thank you very much. Now, let me ask you few questions. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And raise your hands. Who will going to answer this true false question? I will ask you two true false questions. First one is the old man tells his plan to his wife. This is true or false? Tell me.
Ma'am, the old man tells his plan to his wife. Ma'am, I think it is true.
No, let me check. This is
Ma'am, I can say this is true or false.
okay. Tell
This is true.
no, this is false because the old man keep the plan within himself. He don't share anything to anybody. Okay.
Yes.
So now come to our next question. The thief wants to know where they keep their money. Is this true or false? Is the thief want to know about the money?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's check. Yes, this is correct. Very good. This is correct. Thank you. So now we reach at the end of this topic. So can anybody tell what we learned from today's class? What is the story is about?
Ma'am, the story is Rama to the rescue. And we already discussed about the old man and his wife, and a thief who already entered into the house.
Okay, let me summarize. You are very correct. You are very nicely remember the things, the new words. Thank you very much for this. So now let me summarize. As you said, the thief entered into the house. The couple was clever. The Rama helped to catch the thief. So the couple, the thief, they all are the couple are discussing with each other. The thief listen to them carefully like this. So we read this about in our today's class. Thank you, my dear students. We will discuss another part of the story in our next class. Do practice, complete your homework. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
खुशी रे शिखिबा समस्तंकर अधिकार। नमस्कार।